We have here our sample question. We are going to answer this. If a minus b is equals to b minus c is equals to 2, what is the value of a minus b squared plus b minus c squared over a minus c squared? A 1/4, b 1/2, c 2, or d 4? So, the first thing na gagawin natin ay we are going to identify the given values. So, from our problem, we are given the a minus b is equals to 2. Then, the b minus c is equals to 2. So, dito siya galing. Then, the next step ay we are going to determine the value of our AC para ma-solve natin siya. So, to find the denominator, we can express A minus C in terms of the given segments by adding. So, we are going to add these two equations. So, let us say A minus B plus B minus C is equals to 2 plus 2. So, saan galing yung 2 plus 2? So, ito siya, yung value ng a minus b, 2. Then, ito din ang b minus c is equals to 2. Next, we are going to eliminate the b. But first, gawin natin siyang a minus b plus b minus c is equals to 2 plus 2, which is 4. Then, this one, let's eliminate this one kasi a minus b plus b is equals to 0. So, a minus c is equals to 4. We have our value na ng a minus c. Ang next step natin ay we are going to substitute the values into the expressions. So, babalik tayo dito at atin nang isolve. So, let us copy again. A minus b squared plus b minus c squared over a minus c squared. So, this one, a minus b natin is 2. Then, squared lang natin. Plus, b minus c is 2 squared over the a minus c squared ulit. Ito yung value ng a minus c natin. 4. So, squared. Then, is equals to 4 plus 4. Then, 4 squared is 16. That is equals to 8 over 16. So, simplify lang natin. 8 over 16, that would be 1/2. So, our answer for this question is letter B. So, it's 1/2.